Fellow Zimbabweans, comrades of the liberation struggle, and all patriotic citizens who shed blood for the nation's freedom, I stand shoulder to shoulder with the retired Air Marshal Muchena. His Clarion call last week was not just timely, it was necessary. Sarapita mashikudanya kwapangwa ine retired generals achisapotana panhau uya vachirejecta constitutional amendment. Don't was subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tientra mberi mublanyi pamuchinzi. As a retired lieutenant general who dedicated my entire adult life to defending the sovereignty and constitution of Zimbabwe, I cannot remain silent while a dangerous assault on our land, won freedoms and votes. Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 must be rejected with every fiber of our being. Let me state it plainly and without fear. Mnangagwa is the chief architect and the driver of CAP 3. This is not a parliamentary initiative. It is not a people-driven reform. It is a calculated project of Mnangagwa and a small cabal of Skananda, unelectable individuals around him, who seek to mutilate the 2018 constitution for personal power and perpetual rule. They are attempting that what even Ian Smith's regime could not sustain, the unilateral rewriting of the fundamental law of the land. I fully endorse and reinforce the 10 key points raised by retired Air Marshal Muchena. The 20th Constitution will not be surrendered to fear. We liberated this country so that future generations would live under a supreme law that protects rights, not under the whims of one man. We must now organize, mobilize, resist, and reject CAP 3 peacefully, lawfully, but relentlessly in villages, townships, churches, workplaces, and the diaspora. We will not flinch and we will not break the law to save our constitution. True defenders of the nation do not need to descend into legality. The moral high ground and the people's will are our weapons. CAP 3 offense, the spirit of the liberation struggle. It is vulgar, so saving, and a betrayal of the values we fought for. We did not wage war against white minority rule, only to install black minority rule by constitutional trickery. Doma developments are good upangwa ine. Pana comment section videos of food aim to give answer which each. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.